We're kicking off the weekend down here in Texarkana with a Talimena ride, and it's cruising for St. Jude.
Ain't that cool? So it's not just a ride, it's actually got a cause. We're riding with purpose.
Yes.
Really cool. And Steph will put all the details below. Did we get registered, Mama?
Yes, so we're going to register. We got the itinerary for both days, what times we're going to be here, and kick off.
Okay. So it's a full schedule.
Yes.
I mean, we're getting what we paid for.
Yes.
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 If everybody in the front, if you registered, if you come to cheer and stand when we get started.
Everybody's here. 50% of the money goes to St. Jude. 50% goes to the winning ticket. And then we have Neil Jones's special prize ticket down here.
Okay.
Nobody knows what this is except for Neil Jones.
Okay.
And it could be anything. So, but that's what we got.
Super cool. Very cool. All the minis are cool. Damn. Good or something. Holy shit. Damn. They got some goodies.
They do.
I was not expecting this because we've seen some silent auctions before. And you really never know exactly what you're going to see, right? Some of them are like, eh. But actually, man, damn, Talimena, y'all knocked it out of the park. Sticker. Looking too. I mean, my God, man. It just keeps going. How great is this? Oh my gosh. This makes me so hungry. Is that real? God, I'm hungry as hell now.
Distracted by the cake.
I know, I already talked about it. I'm so hungry.
That man right here is the ambassador for Arkansas tourism. When you see him peeling out, he's taking pictures. Please don't get behind him. We're not pulling out in another direction. Okay? Please, this man will be shooting film all the way up the mountains, all the way down, all day.
Okay guys, cruising for St. Jude's. What this is all about is a bunch of us getting together, riding to raise money for the kids for St. Jude's. All the proceeds go directly to them. It's a great cause. You need to really look into it and dig into it. You won't believe it until you see it with your own eyes. We're lucky enough to be part of it, and this is what's fixing to happen. We're all lined up here, fixing to go on the first ride of this weekend. This is our Friday ride. Tomorrow we will also have a Saturday ride, 80 bucks. They give you a guided ride and they feed you and give you a good time. That means shows, dinner, and a ride. What more can you ask for? And up front, you'll see the blue stripe up here at Texarkana leading the whole way. We want to tell Texarkana, thank you guys so much for being involved and supporting such a great cause. All right, let's get to it. This is the Friday guided ride here for the St. Jude's run, cruising for the kids. They've done amazing already because they had the cops get us out of town. They did all the stops. Nobody had to stop at anything. Everybody's staying tight. Everybody's having fun. Beautiful day. It's 64 degrees outside. It is May 26th, 7th. I don't know. It's Friday. And we've got a big weekend planned. Neil and the whole crew have worked their asses off to put all this together. There's so much that we can do out here as far as rallies, and it feels good to be doing something for a cause, for a good purpose. And I've stated this before, and I'll continue to state it throughout this video. Every bit of the proceeds goes straight to St. Jude's. They have people come in from all over giving Neil money, I mean all across the states. One story I want to tell is this dude from Louisiana, and he sells pies on the side of the road. That's right, y'all. Pies on the side of the road. You've seen Steph and I stop at those little stands everywhere across America getting fruit and honey and all that good stuff, and that's what he does. And he brought him a considerable size check this year, and last year he did too, and every year it gets bigger. And these people know what he's doing, and it's just like a snowball effect. You know, it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and all it takes is one person to do good, and it causes so many others to follow right behind. So we're going to show this weekend, and in this video, some stuff that you can get out and do good for our community and our kids while you're having fun and enjoying your motorcycle with like-minded people. We're in Nukanoob. We're in Nukanoob. N-C-C-A-B. Nukab. We're in your knuckle. We're right up in your knuckle. Thought I'd show you guys. As you can see, fixing a crest over the hill up there's the whole parade. I guess our parade, but the guided ride. Now look in the mirror and all the way up the hill. Bikes. It's a pretty cool feel. I'm not gonna lie though, I'd love to open it up. It's part of it though. This is our Saturday ride here.
So I think today's ride is going to Queen Wilhelmina
Yes.
Mountain. I'm not for sure if I'm saying that correctly or not, but I've heard from several people that it's a beautiful area and it's definitely worth checking out if you're in the area. And it's just, I believe, southwest
Yes.
from Hot Springs.
Yeah, it's in between like Hot Springs and Fort Smith is what it looks like. And
Okay, yeah.
of course, guys, if you know anything about Arkansas, right in there, I mean, that's the epitome of the Ozark riding. I mean, that's where that's the heart of it all. Anywhere there you go ride, you're not going to be unhappy. You can make a wrong turn, it don't matter. We always say that, get lost, it ain't going to matter.
Yes.
So, like Steph was saying, that's where we're going to go. I think it's, how many hour ride is it there, honey?
I really don't know.
Okay, so we're going to...
I don't know the route or anything. I'm totally leaving this up to Neil. We're just hanging out with the crew, the group here doing this ride. Of course, it's cruising for St. Jude's. All the proceeds are going to St. Jude's Research Center. They usually so this ride is in the end of May, and in June, they actually usually ride out to Memphis and deliver a check to St. Jude's. However, since COVID, they did not do that the last 2 years, of course, for COVID, just for respect of, the health issues and stuff like that. So I don't think that they'll do it again this year either. So I don't know. It's cool though, but all of the money and the proceeds, so they're gonna just, of course, send in a check.
Yeah, like I said, this is pretty cool, and like Steph was just saying, we just follow along on this because it's like I said last night, it's kind of like a cruise, and we're cruising for St. Jude's, but like on a cruise, you go, they do the itinerary, you get on the boat, they show you a good time, they feed you, entertain you, and that's exactly what they're doing here. We get fed 3 times a day. We have entertainment at night. One thing that we liked and we were talking about last night is at the convention center there, they open it up. As you see, they have live music, food. They have all their giveaways and their silent auction there. So you roll up after this ride, put the horse in the stall, go inside, get cleaned up a little bit, walk right down, enjoy some beverages and eat, and get to talking,
Yeah, it's super neat. And actually, you probably seen in the video just right back there that the cars are pulled over. And we were talking about that last night, was that, of course, we're going through all kinds of different communities and towns down here in Texarkana area. And you can see the communities that really support motorcyclists and what we're trying to do. And it's a great thing because, like this was mentioned, it's not a funeral procession.
No.
But cars will actually pull over and wait for us all to go through because they know what we're doing. They know what's going to happen every year, that we've got almost 300 bikes in this ride, and they give that respect. And you'll see a lot of people along the routes that will, pull over. Not only pull over, but they'll get out and watch the parade, wave, and they're just happy to see everyone to get together. Because, like Neil says, it's all about the kids.
It really is, and look at them. I mean, it's a sign of a respect, and that, to me, ladies and gentlemen, is what our culture, the motorcycle culture, is all about. Respect us because we respect. And we're trying to do good in our community. And I'm proud, Stephanie is proud to be here on this ride today. Once again, thank you, Neil, his so wonderful wife, and the whole crew. Hats off to y'all. Now we can hear the big bore. Steph and I have decided it is no longer the big guy in the back of the room chuckling, fixing to whoop somebody's ass. It's like a screaming freaking Comanche coming up beside you. The thing's a beast. This thing, we had multiple people tell us yesterday, they're like, dude, because we're getting pictures and going by and trying to get pictures of everybody, they're like, we know when you're fixing to cut loose, we hear that M8. We hear the big bore winding up, what? And it just screams bomb. The old thing, I like it.
Recording.
Oh yeah, we're fixing to eat. They're all set up for us. Look at here. Do a little pippy honk. Oh, that guy's like, you son of a... that Pro Beast horn gets everybody's attention.
We just want to welcome you to Mena, Arkansas. Thank you so much for choosing our neck of the woods to come through. We know it's the beauty you're after and the goodness of Papa's good food. But we thank you nonetheless for coming here. I also want to thank you for choosing such a great cause as St. Jude's Children's Hospital raise money for. Because you guys have been coming to Polk County for 20 years, and because of this is their 10th year raising money for St. Jude's Hospital, and in that time period, you guys have raised almost $400,000. So thank you again for visiting. We do hope you come back and see us, not just as a group, but individually, and come see the rest of the beauty we've got to offer you here in Mena and Polk County. And I don't know what he's doing.
It's no good.
No good. If you're ornery, I'll be that ornery too.
No, we got a guy named Honorary with us.
In honor of all of that, the mayor of Mena has signed a proclamation claiming May 28th, 2022 as Talimena Rally Cruisin for St. Jude Day. So,
Oh yeah, heading up here to Queen Wilhelmina Bridge Mountain.
Queen Wilhelmina.
That's what
That's what you meant?
That's what I was mentally thinking, but my tongue says otherwise. So yeah, part of the ride, super pretty up through here. Of course, you're in Arkansas. There it is, Talimena Scenic Drive. That's what we're on, Talimena. So if you hear, if you rode Talimena, well, here you go, folks, Talimena. Just another great ride in Arkansas, no doubt. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a national forest. We have a lot of that up here in the Ozarks. If you guys don't know, the Buffalo River is the first sanctioned national river, correct?
Yes, national.
National river. Yeah, climbing some altitude right now. What Steph and I are doing, you'll notice that we're not with a group right now. It's because we're cutting out a little bit ahead before they left the restaurant so we can get set up and get a few shots for you guys to see in the video. And it's really cool too because we're having a lot of people come up to Steph and I, and they want to see pictures of themselves on their bike. And it becomes a challenge to give them that. Just a great view, guys. Wow, very cool. So we're saying the mountains aren't real high here, but the valleys are really low. Oh yeah, guys, this is cool. Y'all would really enjoy this right here. And I will be honest with you guys, born and raised here. We've never rode this. Never drove it. I don't know why. Hell, we'll go all over the damn place and not even ride in our own backyard. Wow, look at this corner. How cool is that? All right, so what did you think about it?
I liked it too.
Oh wow, look cool. Look at this, guys. I'm trying to get around. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whee. A lot of fun. Yeah. Legend suspension. Super fun. Oh, that already makes me feel better. Woo, Talimena ride's so pretty up through here, guys. We've stopped here along the road. We got lookouts all over this coming up through here. So if you're riding a Talimena ride, you've got plenty of places to pull over and look at these Ozark views. I'm so proud of Arkansas and everything it holds. That's one thing it does hold, is a lot of gorgeous roads. Here comes some of the bikes. Well, this would just be a few. I don't think this is the whole crew. That's just some dudes out running the roads on their bike. I love it. I thought it was some of us. But we're set up here going to get some of them rolling through, of course.
This is Coke cake.
Really?
Peach cobbler.
And tonight's meal is by Cracker Barrel.
Yes.
And they've done a fine job. So like I was telling you, he feeds you 3 times a day, both days you're here. Last night it was Texas Roadhouse. Tonight it's Cracker Barrel. As you can see, it's a great spread. I'm telling you. It's pretty badass, the amount of work and detail that they go into to make this happen. Badass band.
He's a big sponsor. So give a big hand for Mo Timmy County.
Last year was the first time that my husband and I came to this rally. We knew right away we wanted to help, so we got our little McCurtain County group together and see what we could do. This year we raised $4,020.
Okay, so we're the Misfit Riding Club out of Northwest Arkansas. So before we get to our total, I've got to tell you the story. As you know, in December, we almost lost one of our most influential members in Northwest Arkansas, David Wingman Storage.
Yes, sir.
For those of you that know, in the Christian community and for the small biker club, there is no better friend than David Storage.
$7,841.
Y'all, I'm from Michigan, everybody. Just tonight, you guys have given $82 to St. Jude just to dance with us. So thank you.
$5,082. Trying to raise money. He's the one that got me started coming to this thing 6 years ago.
Here we are at Texarkana.
Take 14.
Yeah. Texarkana Convention.
It is the second night of the Talimena Rally. We're here at the Texarkana Convention Center. And like I said, it's the second night. We've got our Rainwater Holding Sex crew here. Awesome.
Yeah. And we're just hanging at the convention center here because that's where we're all staying. That's where they have all the shenanigans. Right now we're listening to the Big Damn Band.
The what?
The Big Damn Band.
No.
Big Damn
we just
Band.
No, it's the Big Damn Horn Band.
Oh, well, I got it almost right. I got it halfway right. That's all that really matters. Well, you get half of it right, but really, at the end of the day, Oh, yeah. Did I?
Sorry.